everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to try the magnetic lashes. I'm not wearing eyeliner because it's easier for you guys to see how the magnetic lashes works, and it's from Iris Beauty. The link is in the description box and my coupon code. Those not the full lashes, it's half, so you don't need to glue lashes on. And you can see it has very tiny magnetic on the lashes. You put one lashes here, and this is my first time putting on magnetic lashes on the top. This on the top and this on the bottom, looks like that. It takes practice to make it work. It's on. Wow, but it's not very comfortable because I didn't put it correctly. Very hard to put it on, but it's a very interesting idea. Looks very natural. It looks pretty good, right? Okay, this is how it looks like in distance. Wow, it looks very natural and it's reusable. This is not like the normal lashes. You use it several times, it'll get old. But those will not worn out quickly like the normal lashes. Let me redo this using the proper way. Curl my lashes. I don't really curl my lashes, so I'm not good at it. Ooh. And then apply mascara on the top. Okay. Okay. Again, very hard. Don't fall. Finally it's on. It took me like 10 minutes. It's looking not bad. I need to move it to the end a little bit. Blink, and it will not fall. And then I just apply some eyeshadow, a little bit eyeliner. Oh, it's on. This one looks not bad. I'm getting better at it. It looks pretty natural, right? It is a really interesting idea, but I'm not used to wear it. I need to practice to put it on quickly. It does very comfortable to wear. The one I choose is natural. They also have different types of magnetic lashes. So for this makeup, I'm wearing half eyeliner and half magnetic lashes. And then let's add bands. The fixed through bands is very useful, very convenient, and you can't tell it's fake. You can't tell. It looks very natural. No need to cut bands anymore. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye. Apply it on the top and on the bottom. It's on.